Nothing?
I haven't turned it, but pretty vacation for me. No, it's not locked up.
I'm gonna hook the jumper cables up. Well. All right, let her rip. I think it's just got some air in the lines, I think. Alright, so since it was out of diesel, there was a crack in the fuel filter, the fuel water separator on the other side, so it drained out all the diesel that has been in the lines over the years, and so now we're cracking the injectors open, trying to see if we can get the air out by cranking on it. Alright, so the hydraulic line just busted on it, so we can't move the bucket up or down right now, but we're going to see if it'll go forward and reverse. Oh yeah. There she goes. Get that bucket up. The steering working? The steering work? Well, steering's not working on it. Reverse works. Looks like it's gonna have a few bugs to work out, but overall, it sounds like a pretty strong running little tractor.